Y'all, so what really matters is that my planner and my Kindle fit in here. Like, that is the test to see if a bag is big enough for me. Does my planner and my Kindle fit? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. Sorry I look a little, I'm about to head to work actually, but I wanted to film this video, or at least start it. So in my what's in my bag video, and I think my luxury video, I mentioned that I am looking to expand my bag collection because I've been carrying the same bag for like 5 years. So I'm ready to get some new bags, and I mentioned that there's a list of luxury bags on my list, but I don't want to start just getting those bags because there's certain bags I want in a certain order, and I know that might seem really extra or whatever, but I'm very particular about the bags that I want. So I decided to try out some more contemporary options. As you know, I love Michael Kors, and I've been thinking about getting another Michael Kors bag, but I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone. Clearly 5 years, this is my comfort zone. But I ordered something from Coach, and I have not had a Coach bag in years. In college, I bought this Coach canvas crossbody. Of course it was in green because green, favorite color. Green is my favorite color. So of course it was in green. I love that bag so much. Honestly, I know like I don't ever see people wearing bags like that anymore, but if I could find that bag, you guys, I would definitely wear it. Like, I don't care, I'd be wearing that bag almost every day. I love that bag. So I decided to try some Coach bags. They had a 30% off sale recently, so I picked up 2 bags. And I'm sorry about my background noise, y'all. I picked up 2 Cassie bags. I picked up the Cassie 19 and the regular Cassie. So I'm gonna open them today. They just got here yesterday, so I got these 30% off. So this is my box. I went ahead and cut the tape so that I could open it more easily, but my 2 bags are in here. It's not the right way, okay. All right, and so it's actually pretty cute when you open the inside. So this is what it looks like. They have their sticker here and their Coach New York logo there. I like this wrapping because it has to be recyclable. I like that, okay? And this is the first bag. It comes in a dust bag. I thought it would come in a box, but it's tied well. So this is the first bag. And this is the Coach Cassie in the chalk color. This bag retails for $350, but I ordered it during their sale. It's a very cute bag. I'll do some close-up shots and stuff, but this is pretty much it. The inside, it has 1 section, 2 sections. It has a little flat pocket in here and a zip pocket on the other side. And then it has this little back section. It has this turn clasp with the C, and it has a back pocket. It has the tag here. And yeah, so this is my alternative to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse that I'm probably not gonna order just because I don't love it. I have my reservations, right? And for a $2,000 bag, there should be no reservations. But this is the bag kind of as a crossbody. It's pretty big, or I'm pretty small. It's a pretty big bag, I think, but that's it crossbody. I think you can actually shorten it and wear it as a shoulder bag. I thought I could wear it as a top handle bag, but I think I was thinking of the Cassie 19 when I thought that was an option. But it's such a cute bag, and I just wanted a white bag for spring, and this is so pretty. It's pretty. I wish I had gotten the Cassie 19 in this color, to be honest. So I'm thinking about sending it back. I know they said I cannot exchange it because I bought it on sale. So I would have to do a full return. I kind of wish there had been more colors, but this is, I'm opening it without showing you. This is the Cassie 19. All right, oh, this is a cute one. It has some marks. I'm concerned about all these marks that are on it straight out of the package, but it has like this white mark. Can you even see that? I mean, I'm sure it can be clean. It's just a random white mark. All right, so this one I love because I'm such a like a top candle person. Can it fit up here? Ooh, no. No, but I love this bag. Oh, it's so cute. It has the clasp, the chain, which is here. It's a little chain. I don't want to take it out yet because I haven't committed, but it has the same pockets inside. So it has 1, 2, 3, and the back pocket. I love this little thing. They do have quite a few loops, so I can make this a bit smaller so I can wear it as a shoulder bag. So this is it as a shoulder bag, and then you can wear it, I'm trying to be really careful. You can wear it crossbody, like that. You know, just hold it, I love this color. Size, I really love this size, and I think I'm really gonna like it once I put the chain, why am I calling it a clasp, you guys? Once I put the chain on it, I think I'm going to like it a whole lot. Like, oh my gosh, like I could wear it with my outfit today. Honestly, I'm not wearing anything crazy. I think I want to keep this black one. I don't know if I'm going to keep the white one, the chalk one, the bigger one. I just love like these little details, and I love the chain, which I'll insert a picture of the bag with the chain on it since I may not take mine off yet. But oh my gosh, you guys, and this one retails for $295, and I think it came out to like $206 with the sale. I love it. I would really love it like in a green. Yeah, I want every bag I own to be green. I love the color green.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Loving let go.
Sometimes one of these straps will come undone, one of these chains. I'm not sure what causes it, but that's really the only issue I've had so far. Y'all, so what really matters is that my planner and my Kindle fit in here. Like, that is the test to see if a bag is big enough for me. Because my planner and my Kindle fit. Because at the end of the day, I can just carry my planner, my Kindle, my phone, and a pen, and I'm good. I will be doing a what's in my bag for this bag to show you exactly what fits. It's a little different than what I had set up in my Michael Kors bag. Of course, this bag is a lot smaller, so some things just didn't make the cut. But if you're interested in seeing what did make the cut, what's in my bag, my Coach Cassie 19, then definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and we will do this video, you guys. I really wanted to go ahead and make these videos now because right now the Coach Cassie is only $210 and the Cassie 19 is $177. Like, that is so low that I went ahead and I ordered a second Coach Cassie 19 in the chalk because I adore this bag. I've been carrying it every day since I got it. So that is a really good price. I hear that they're discontinuing the Cassie. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but the Coach Cassie and the Cassie 19 are on the Coach website today for way lower, well, not way lower, but lower than what I paid for it around Mother's Day. So it's $210 for the Coach Cassie and $177 for the Cassie 19. I'll put the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a green heart down in the comments to let me know that you are here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.